Welcome to Akashic Manifest Diary. This is the final artwork we'll be creating together today. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to explore a beautiful art therapy practice. For today's practice, you'll need a square sheet of paper, a ruler, some glue, and any drawing materials you love: colored pencils, markers, crayons, acrylic, watercolors, anything. I'll be using watercolor today, and a background paper or canvas to mount the final piece. You don't need anything special, just an open heart and a little time for yourself. Turn your paper to the front side. Use the ruler to divide the entire sheet into 9 equal squares. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. Now, we're going to write numbers 1 to 9. But here's the key. Do not place consecutive numbers in adjacent squares. Let the numbers rotate around the grid in a way that feels playful or unexpected. This small step is symbolic. A reminder that even when order feels scrambled, you still carry the ability to reorganize your world. When you're ready, slowly turn the paper to the other side. Now, forget the lines, forget the numbers. This side of the paper is your private place, your inner room. Here, nothing needs to make sense. There are no rules, no mistakes, no expectations. You don't need to decide what to draw. You simply need to feel. Take a moment. Check in with your emotions. How are you today? Is there heaviness? Is there something unsaid? Is there a quiet longing? Or maybe just simple tiredness? Let your colors speak for you. Let your intuition move your hand. You can paint, shade, scribble, or let your emotions spill onto the page, in whatever form they choose. As you draw, let yourself soften. Let the world slow down. Let the colors hold you. This is your moment. This process is incredibly soothing. One painting didn't feel like enough for me, so I actually took another sheet of paper and painted a second one. You can do the same if you feel called to. Just follow your intuition. Now, once you finish your painting, we'll wait for the watercolor to dry. And while it dries, you can start preparing your canvas or background paper. Think about the color you want your background to be. It can be the color of your current mood, or a color that this artwork makes you think of. You have complete freedom here. For my pieces, I decided to use a plain white sheet as the background for one of them. And for the second piece, I painted a black background paper myself using acrylic paint. Feel free to choose whatever colors feel right for your own creations. Choose what resonates with you. This is your space, your creation. When your watercolor painting is completely dry, or simply dry enough to handle gently, we're ready to move on. Do you remember the numbers we wrote earlier on the back? Now is the moment they come back into the process. Turn your paper over to the numbered side, and you'll see the grid we created at the very beginning. Follow those original lines, and carefully cut your artwork into 9 small squares. Soft pause as you cut. You may notice the colors breaking apart, lines suddenly stopping, or shapes separating in unexpected ways. It might feel a little strange, or even a bit uncomfortable, like you're taking apart something you just poured yourself into. And that's completely okay. This step holds a quiet truth. Sometimes breaking things apart is the beginning of seeing them more clearly. It's a gentle reminder that even when life feels fragmented, every piece still belongs to a bigger story. Now, using the numbers as your guide, reassemble the squares in order, in the direction each number faces. Glue them onto a new piece of paper. As you go, watch how the pieces settle into unexpected relationships. Lines that once connected may no longer meet. Colors that never touched now become neighbors. The picture is no longer what it was. And yet, somehow, it feels alive in an entirely new way. Just like you, even when life scatters your pieces, you still have the power to create a new picture. Now that we've assembled our first piece, let's begin putting together the second one. Take the 9 squares from your other painting. and gently mount them onto the black canvas. As you place each piece down, let yourself slow your breathing. Notice how the colors react to the dark background, how they stand out, how they soften, how they shift into something new. There's something very healing about this process, the act of rebuilding, reimagining, and letting each fragment find its own place again. It's a quiet reminder that even when parts of us feel scattered, we can choose the backdrop, the tone, and the space that helps us feel whole again. As you finish mounting the last square, take a moment to look at both artworks side by side. Two different moods, two different energies, both born from the same hands and the same heart. Thank you for completing this art therapy practice with me today. Keep your artwork somewhere you can see it. Let it remind you that clarity can grow from chaos, and beauty can come from the smallest pieces.